Are you tired of returning to a flooded inbox because you forgot to set an auto reply? Learn to set a Zoho Mail out of office in under 2 minutes. We'll walk through the settings, dates, and message body. Follow these 11 simple steps to get your auto reply live. Start by clicking the settings icon in the upper right corner. Then, from the left sidebar that appears, scroll down until you see the Out of Office option. Go ahead and click on Out of Office to open the auto reply settings. Now set your start date by clicking on the Date field. A calendar will pop up. Click on the date you want the auto reply to begin. Next, click on the End Date field. Then choose the date when the auto reply should stop. If you want to exclude specific days, click on the Unavailable Days option, for example, Monday. Then also click on Wednesday to mark it as unavailable. Now type in your subject line and the email body for the auto reply message. Finally, click Save to activate your out-of-office auto reply. That's it. You're all set. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.